Ken, getting the mail. It's getting colder and colder and windier and windier. But this did not stop the mailman.
A video?
Oh, yes?
You're weird. You're a strange woman. Could you take the paper? Thank you.
He is taking his boots off with his handy dandy little boot getter offer.
Get her off.
Did you get him? Good job. Now you got to go out there and get your feet wet and pick them up. All right. Good job. Say hi.
Hi.